What's the meaning of bone dry? Bone dry. Bone dry.
Bone dry. Bone dry. The phrase bone dry is often used to describe something that is completely devoid of moisture. It can refer to a wide range of substances, from soil and concrete to clothes and skin. When something is truly bone dry, it means that all of its water content has been evaporated or removed, leaving it completely arid and brittle. This can have different effects depending on the material in question. For example, soil that is bone dry may be difficult to dig or plant in, while skin that is bone dry may feel rough and uncomfortable to the touch. Overall, bone dry refers to a state of extreme dryness that leaves little or no trace of moisture.